This is Nick with Biotech. In this video, I'll be going over swapping between profiles. In this case, we'll be doing TPS to GPS, then GPS back to TPS. So here I am set up. I'm using TPS over a control point. I'd go ahead and check point number 3 as well here and just show that I'm in tolerance and my setup is good. Then from here, I'm actually going to swap immediately out to my GPS unit. So here I'm changing the profile from my ICR80 to my ICG70. I am using an Ntrip server to get my corrections. For the pole itself, I'm going to go ahead and take off my prism as well as my AP20. Now I'm just going to go ahead and thread on the ICG70, and I'm going to go ahead and ensure that the panel is facing towards me. This will help the IMU be in the correct orientation. And just about as I'm going on to this control point here, I'm going to go ahead and get fixed and warm up my IMU. It generally takes less than 30 seconds for the rover to initialize once Bluetooth has been established. This point checked out good, so I'm going to go ahead and go over to point 3 here. And we're looking great there as well. Now that I'm done using this GPS unit, I want to swap back over to my ICR80. I'm just going to go ahead and start that connection while I'm taking down the GPS unit. So once again, taking off the ICG70, removing my quick coupler as well. I'm going to go ahead and mount my AP20, making sure that the panel is facing towards me once again. Lastly, just threading on my prism. When you're swapping between systems and your TPS units have not moved position, you can actually swap back into them without having to reset up the station. To set up a TPS station, go ahead and check out our TPS basics video. At the same time I'm getting back on station, everything's connected between the CC200 data collector, the ICR80, and the AP20. So I'm just going to go ahead and start warming up my IMU on my AP20. Now the best method that we found out is doing long figure 8s or big loops. And there's a progress bar at the top there next to your prism symbol. Think of it as a fill bar. The more that is in there, the longer you have in between shots. Point 2 checked out good, so I'm just going to run over to point 3 and double check on that. I really think this video showcases how easy it is to swap between TPS and GPS and vice versa. If you have any questions or want a consultation, please reach out to us at Biotech. Thank you.